Hello besties, welcome back to the channel, my beautiful G Squad. So we're back to mixing again today and using these pigments again, but we are veering into the other side of the rainbow with some blues and greens and yellows, because I absolutely love how green and pink look together, and I just thought it would make both my hands look really cool together. Now I'm going to show you the yellow real quick, but I'm not going to make you watch me mix them all. Sorry. So there's the three colors, and we're just going to do some smearing on. I'm not going to really call this a marble, just, I guess in a way it kind of is, but it's just a real swirly jelly sort of color mashup. I guess you would kind of call that a marble, but it doesn't really look, like stone or anything. It's just colors I like together on a nail. So there you go. There you go. You can call it a marble if you like. I still don't even know what to call this set, like maybe the mean greenies. But on the other hand, we had done some hearts and butterflies, and on this hand, we're gonna go with stars. So I really love the tiny little stars that I chose. You guys weren't here, sorry. That I chose to go with this set. And I'm going to try really hard to make this one pretty quick. It's pretty cut and dry, very similar to the one that we did on Monday, but with its own differences because we are not putting any Mylars in there. I just really wanted a few days of nails that kind of matched each other. But having said that, I don't think they're going to last very long. I'm going to take them off very quick and start with something new. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm coming in with some green and yellow holographic glitters and just putting that in some random places. So this set really is more glitter centric than my right hand, which is more Mylar centric. So now on the ring finger, I'm not doing any kind of swirls or anything. We're just painting it green. And so it's going to be a very jelly nail. And then I'm going to come in with those really cool stars I said I was going to use. And they are in the blue and green family. So I'm just bringing them down the nail in a swirly, haphazard sort of pattern. There's no real rhyme or reason. If they stick there and they want to stay there and they make me happy, then that's where they go. And on the thumbnail, we're coming in with the yellow. And while I was doing it, guys, I have to say I thought it was real pretty, but as I'm watching, as I look at it now on my nail, I still think it's pretty. But as I'm watching it now, it kind of makes me feel like, I don't know, I'm making my nail look sick and diseased or something. But as soon as you add a little blue in there, it brightens things up and makes it look even a little more green, I think. So now we're coming back in with some more of those stars. And the way I kind of was thinking of this one, because we do come in and add the glitter in sort of swashes behind the star. So to me, it's almost like a little group of shooting stars going across my thumbnail. And that just made me really happy to think about a little family of shooting stars going through the universe. Now, after I encapsulated everything and did the filing off camera, here we are with some top coat on that glitter. Now, like I said, I did want to just keep this video a little on the shorter side because it is very similar to what we did on Monday. But you let me know, do you prefer the pink with the hearts and the butterflies, or do you like the green with the stars? Because honestly, they both have their pluses, but I'm kind of leaning toward the green set as being my favorite. I'm really just so, greens are turning me on right now. I'm so into greens. So be sure to know you're going to be seeing a lot more teals and greens and blues and things on the channel, because that's what's really lighting my fire, you guys. I just absolutely love it. So now we're finishing up here on the thumb, and look at how that glitter shines. Ooh, popping that in the lamp, and out we come with some oil. Gonna nourish those cuticles in that skin, make it happy, and look at the finished product. Oh, guys, I love these nails. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section. Be sure you could click my buttons. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.